How's it going? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Here on this channel, we premiere new and pre-owned manufactured and mobile homes on a weekly basis. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new tours. Right now, we are standing in Western Skies Manufactured Housing Community in the city of Anaheim. We have two brand new homes available. They're very similar floor plans. It's the American Freedom 2052 by Champion. We hope you enjoy this tour. As we walk up here, you're going to see that it's a nice open floor plan. There is a beautiful kitchen island. This is a great layout for a 20 by 52 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. As you can see, there's a breakfast bar over here in the kitchen island. You could fit about 3 people there. Over in this area is a nice cozy area. You can have a nice dining room table. These are all hardwood cabinets. We have a 6-inch tile backsplash, laminate countertops, Whirlpool kitchen appliances. What's nice over here is you have more storage for the kitchen island. If you want to see the tour of the other home in this community, make sure you check out the link in the description. You could have a side-by-side washer and dryer. Over to the right here, you have a good guest bathroom with a tub shower combo. Let's see if I can get in here for you, give you a different view. There's a medicine cabinet. Here is bedroom number 2. This master bedroom is a little bit larger. You could fit a king-size bed in here, no problem. Both of these homes come with 2-inch faux wood blinds. And over here we have 2 sinks, a his and her sink with some drawers. And a 60-inch walk-in shower. Everybody really likes the 60-inch walk-in shower. It makes it a lot easier, prevents any trip and falls. So this is a great floor plan. Tell us what you think. We really appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. It helps out our channel. We're here for you. And again, make sure you check out the links in the description for more tours. See you next time.